working on a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse with the 3.0 V6, and what we're looking at today is some EGR faults. But specifically all the stuff that runs back through here. I got some names for you. So this particular motor has the VIC, the Variable Induction Control System. So it's just this vapor canister, or the vapor line that runs back through here. The others do not. But what we're going to look at today is going to be this guy right here. The starred right there, that's going to be the restrictor. Name down here, the restrictor. So this is not something that I knew about for a while, but going through all the EGR faults that I was trying to figure out, I've got a P0403 and sometimes a 01 happens as well. But down here, there's going to be, where's it at? Right back down here, this guy right here, that vacuum, what do they call it? Vacuum control valve right here. So this white stripe on this black vacuum line is the one that has the restrictor in it. That's the one that we're going to be checking. And everything back here is cramped, so I took the bar off that goes right here, that sway bar thing, and then I've got some of these out of the way. We're going to unplug this top solenoid electrical plug and tuck it back, and then take this green line, take it off, move it back, and that's going to give us better access to that control piece down here. And anyway, it's just in there in a little bracket, and you can pull it off like that, and then you can take and unplug this guy. So there's a green dot to represent the green line, so you don't get them backwards, because that restrictor is in here. Okay, so this is the OEM part, and then it says it's got like a 7 and an 8. I think that's what that is. Just as a reference if you need it. But anyway, this white line is what we're going to remove. So right here, you can probably see a little bit of a bulge. You can feel it when you pinch it. It's right there. So on the paperwork, right here, this white, the W, it's got the star next to it. That's for the restrictor that goes in that control valve that comes from the branch over here. But anyway, this particular piece, I probably cannot get a shot of it because it's a little bit down in there. Stand by. Right there. See that shiny in there? Okay, so within that piece, it seems like it's a cylinder, a metal cylinder with like a check valve or a BB or something that's inside of it that's super tight in there, and it doesn't have hardly any flow. That's why it's called a restrictor. But that can get clogged with a bunch of black carbon and stuff. So ideally you would take like some brake cleaner and just, now here, precaution, okay? Ask me how I know. Get your safety glasses on, and then spray that down in there, and don't, make sure you point it away from yourself, because it will immediately push back, because you're basically putting it into a closed end. And do it from both sides. Anyway, and then you can clean it off, and then you can blow through it and suck through it, and you'll start to get that sense of what kind of makes me feel like there's you can't hear a rattle, but you kind of get a sense that something is moving within that system. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew this existed, where it was at, where it's located, and then if you need any sort of diagram, I'll just let you look at it. And this is for the VIC. It's very similar to the one without the VIC. And on the 2.4 liter, I don't know where it's at, but it's the same components. A vacuum control valve on the white line. I'm sure it's the same on that one as well. I think it's the same with the Lancer. So anyway, clean that out, and then it's free to clean out. So make sure you don't like throw this away and replace it with a regular hose. If you just put regular tubing on there, that restriction is there for a reason, to help with how much EGR flow that there is. So there's a way to test these as well. That's a different video for a different time. But anyway, I want to make sure you guys know this existed, and to check it, to clean it, and then start from there. Hope to help you out. Thanks.